Now we will do a short exercise together. I will put up some jumbled words and you will rearrange it and make a complete sentence with a capital letter and the full stop. Okay? So we'll do an exercise. And this is exactly what goes on in the class the teacher does for you. Enjoy your grammar so that you remember how to do it. So, jumbled words. Drinks, cat, milk, the. You know, in your mind, you arrange them. Let's see. Next, crow, fish, the, just words I'm just giving you so that you can cries. You can make complete sentence. Let's see. Baby, the. Next one, air, in, fly, the, birds. And finally, you have collect, be, now. So look at this now. We have some words here. Drinks, cat, milk, the. Now you make the sentence, correct sentence for me. Remember, capital letter, full stop. And as I tell you, you also write it down. The cat drinks milk. T, capital letter. You saw? The cat drinks, yes, milk. And remember, you end it with a full stop. Now, you had a group of words here, all mixed up, jumbled. Now, you learn to make a complete sentence. The cat drinks milk. Okay? Next one. Let's see the next one. Crow, fish, the, took, the. What is that? The crow took the fish. The crow, capital letter. The crow took the fish. End it with the full stop. The next one. Cries baby the. The baby cries. The T capital. The baby cries. And did the full stop. Next one. Next one. Air, in, fly, the birds. The birds fly in the air. Fourth one. T capital. The birds fly in the air. Full stop at the end. And finally, you have collect bees, the honey. The bees collect honey. The bees collect honey. End it with the full stop, begin with the capital letter. Now, we have here jumbled words. You put it all correctly, then you write it down with the capital letter and the full stop. So what did we say a sentence is? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It begins with the capital letter, it ends with the full stop. And he also has the sentence has a verb. Let's look at that. We learned about the phrase, group of words without verb. Now let's look at the sentence. Now, this makes a complete sentence. Now let's see where is the verb. The cat drinks milk. Verb. The crow took the fish. The baby cries. The birds fly. The bees collect honey. So now it's very easy. Grammar is easy. The only thing, practice. Now, a group of words that make sense. Every sentence has a verb. Every sentence has a verb, and a sentence begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop.